This is Rebecca Redden from TableCraft Products European office, here today to talk you through one of our new products, our cast iron tortilla press. Comprising of 2 cast iron plates and a cast iron handle, this sturdy press is easy to use. First, you need to line your press with a square of greaseproof paper, then lightly grease the sheet with olive oil to prevent the dough from sticking. Then, take a ball of dough and place it down in the middle of your press. Fold the paper down before closing the lid of the press and using the handle to squeeze it tightly, before peeling back the paper to reveal the final product. There you have it, freshly made tortillas in an instant. And if Mexican food is not on the menu, it's also perfect for making rotis, chapatis, and mini pizza bases. When you're done, wash by hand and dry thoroughly before storage. For more details, be sure to click the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching.